Today I'm showing you how to emboss and how to use Decofoil. Several people asked me to make this tutorial for the inspirational soaps video, so I decided to make a complete and thorough tutorial explaining everything. And don't go anywhere because at the end I'm going to share a secret on how to make your own custom colored embossing powders. First up is Decofoil. I printed out this sheet of floral themed inspirational quotes using toner ink. For this specific method, you'll need a laser printer. Cut the paper into sections. Then put the Decofoil on top. Fold a sheet of paper in half and securely place the quotes and foil in. Take out your laminator and make sure the setting is on hot and that the green ready light is on. Then run the paper through. You'll notice wrinkles on the foil. This means the foil has heated and hopefully fused to the toner. Gently pull back a small corner to check the foil. If it has little pieces remaining, you can run it through the laminator once more. Another method is transfer gel. You can apply the gel with stencils, stamps, or a paintbrush. Then wait an hour for the gel to dry and become clear. Then repeat the steps as we did before. You can see exactly where the foil has fused to the gel. I like to run the gel through twice. For an even, flat metallic look, use a palette knife and a stencil. I like using the brush for a messy look. You can clearly see the brush strokes. There are many other methods for Decofoil like toner pens, liquid adhesive, adhesive pens, and more. Next up is embossing. Embossing creates a raised design. You'll need a heat tool, embossing ink, which can be applied with a brush, pen, or stamp, and embossing powder. I recommend purchasing a small set like this. It may not look like much, but this will last forever. The first method I'm going to show you is with the brush. I'm going to paint the word hello. Then place your design on a sheet of paper. Pour embossing powder on the design. Pour extra off on the paper. Brush away loose powder that is not part of the design. I always mess up on this part, and it's okay if you do. Just go back and fix it. Pour extra powder back into the container. Once the design is ready, heat it with the heat tool until the powder melts together. I use cheap watercolor paper for this, but I wanted to show you what it looks like on regular paper. The next method is applying ink to a stamp with a brush. I'm making a wet stamp and a very light stamp. Check out how much more detail can be seen in the light stamp. You can also use a clear ink stamp pad. Now I'm going to share a secret with you. You can make your own custom colors. Mix some clear or white embossing powder with just a tiny bit of mica. Only add 1/4 the amount of mica as embossing powder. The white and clear mixed with mica creates a marbled effect. It may take a bit of work to get the perfect custom color, but I wanted to share this fun tip with you. I feel like I could spend hours making my own embossing powders. It's a lot of fun, especially if you have a huge collection of micas to choose from.